there's a LG Smart TV UT75 series. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. So first thing is turn your TV on, put your batteries in a remote, and then you should be on this page right here. It says for us to press OK, and it would be this button right here. So let's click on that.
Okay. Language.
Now here, go ahead and choose your language. I'm going to go with English. And then just go down to next. Get a message on here if I want audio guidance that keeps telling me where to go. I'm going to click on no. I don't need that. And then we're just going to go down United States. I'm going to go down to next. Go to your time zone. I'm in Los Angeles here, so I'll go right there. Select it, and I'm going to go down to next. Now we can set it up from our mobile device, our cell phone, or we can do it with the remote control. Okay, for myself, I'm going to go with the remote control here. So I'm just going to go down to next, right there. I'm going to connect to my Wi-Fi right now. I'm going to put in my password now. After you put in your Wi-Fi password, we can just go to enter right there. Select OK on the remote. It just said my Wi-Fi was connected. Terms and conditions, go ahead and read through that, and then you can go ahead and go with next. Terms and conditions, read through that. If you do, just go up here and make sure you select that. Go down the other one, privacy policy, go ahead and read through that. If you agree, go ahead and tap on that as well. And then same thing, just go ahead and read through all of them. You have to select all in order to proceed. So I'm just going to go down here, select all, and then I'm going to go to agree. Okay that to proceed. And it says the way to watch your TV, do you use cable, antenna, or none? For myself, I just use none. I'm gonna go with none. You can always change that later after you're done with the setup as well. And I'm gonna go down to next. Asking for a service area zip code, so let me input that. After you do that, you just wanna go over to enter, right there. Okay on the remote. And that's Monrovia, California. Click on next. Device installation type, is it yours going to be wall mounted or stand? I mean, mine's going to be stand for now at least. Automatic update, I'm fine with that toggled on, and then I'm going to go down to next. Sign into your LG account. You can sign in using the LG ThinQ app, or you can go to a mobile web browser, or you can sign in on the TV. Or you can just skip it and do it another time. For myself, I think I'll go with the middle one, sign in with mobile web. So I'll select that one right there. And probably going to give me a QR code here. So it gives me a QR code, so I'm going to go ahead and bring up my camera on my phone. And to make sure it's on photos, and I'm just going to go ahead and go to that link. It's lgtvlink.com. Now I have to enter the code that's on the TV. It's C. All right, I think that's right. I'll tap on done, and then I'll tap on next right there. And I get this login, email, and password, but I don't have an account, so I'm gonna go down here to sign up. And I'm just gonna go through this really quickly. Select all there, I'll tap on agree. And I gotta put an email, I gotta make a password, first name, last name, and my date of birth. Then I wanna tap on send verification. In my email, I got this verification code, and I'm gonna put it back in this page right here. Fill, then tap on next. It says thanks for registering, and I'll just tap go home here. Okay, so automatically now it just said I was signed in and my email address was on there, and now the TV is starting to proceed. Choose a nickname, so go ahead and choose whatever you want. After you put in what you want, just go to enter, and then we'll select that. Yep, I'll just keep my nickname as V, okay that. Product registration, go ahead and read through that. If you agree, go ahead and you can agree to down there. But for myself, I'm going to skip this. You can always skip it and go back to it later if you wish as well. And here you can select some popular apps, the ones that you use. So I have like Prime Video. Not sure why it brought me. I don't want to sign in now though. I just want to download it. Okay, so I checked it there. I want YouTube. I have Max, used to be HBO Max, and I'll do LG channels. I don't have Peacock, so I'm just go down app installation. You could always download apps like later on as well too. And those apps are downloading. Wow, that was super quick. And now I guess I just go to close here. And there we go. Now we're up and running. Anyway, pretty simple. Questions or issues, comment below.